Hi everyone. Let's see what is the current energy around us today. Let's check. Okay, it's been a very heavy energy since last 2 days that we've been receiving. Even today, the first card is not that great. It shows the bad timing. It shows that right now probably is not the time for you to make any decisions because you are not in the right state of mind. You are being manipulated by a lot of people around you. There are people who are not your well wishers, okay, and these people will feed you things that is not true about yourself. So do not listen to others. Believe in yourself, because what the world is looking to do right now at you is that they just want to manipulate you in a wrong direction so that you make a wrong decision, and then they want to have fun looking at your state. So don't let anyone do that to you. Okay, be very careful. Do not get manipulated. Anyway, the time is not good for most of us right now, at least coming 24 hours. So be very careful there. The second card is little better. If you focus on your money, if you focus on your finances, there are very strong chances you'll get good rewards. So the energy right now is flowing in the right direction when it comes to your career, your business, your finances, your money, your financial stability. So let's see more. Let's check. Okay, for a lot of people, there have been something that is going on since a long time, and that is not reaching an end. So it's like a same pattern repeating in your life. It's like you are going through the same thing again and again, even if you try to make an effort to put a stop to it. What I see here is that in coming 12 hours, you will realize where you go wrong, and you will break this pattern, and things will start moving forward in the direction that you want. So this is also another positive energy. But for that, like the first card said, do not listen to others, listen to yourself. Okay, let's see one more. Okay, there is some woman or some feminine energy in your life that is blessing you without any conditions. Okay, so a lot of people right now are feeling that where this solution will come from. The solution is coming from some very strong, independent and stable energy, which is a feminine energy in your life. If you have someone like that in your life, please listen to them. They will guide you to the right path in your life. Now, this feminine energy doesn't mean that it has to be a woman or a man. It can be somebody who's very grounded, very vulnerable, very emotional, very stable, very clear about how life is. So listen to that person.